Hello students, good morning to everyone. So last class we were discussing about mensurations. In that exercise 1 completed, exercise 10.2, two problems completed I think. From third problem onwards I'll discuss those problems. From third onwards, what's the third question? I'm not writing the question, just I'm reading out the question and I'll write the data and what is required. I'm going to prove it. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeters and the width is 5 millimeters. Find its surface area. Find its surface area. Okay. A medicine capsule. See here, this is a medicine capsule. Generally you know those one. A medicine capsule with two ends stuck with a hemisphere. This is one hemisphere, this is one hemisphere. Okay. Stuck with a two hemispherical ends. A medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispherical stuck to each of its ends. The length of the capsule is, this total length is equal to 14 millimeters. This total length is equal to 14 millimeters. And the width is 5 millimeters. Width means this is the width. This is 5 millimeters. See here, total length of the capsule is equal to is equal to 14 millimeters. Okay, width is equal to 5 millimeters. This width is nothing but a diameter of the hemispherical part or cylindrical part. Here there are three parts, two hemispheres and one is a cylindrical part. Okay, that is nothing but a diameter. Then radius is equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. 5 by 2 millimeters. Now length of the cylindrical portion. Length of cylindrical part. There are three partitions are there, no? One cylinder and two hemispheres either ends. Okay, cylindrical part. Cylindrical part is equal to total length is 14 millimeters minus this height and this height. Means in hemisphere depth is nothing but a radius. Depth is nothing but a radius. This height and this height, this is radius and this radius, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 2 into 5 by 2, 2 cancel, that is equal to, h is equal to 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5 is equal to 9 millimeters. The height of the cylindrical portion is equal to 9 millimeters. Am I clear here? Capsule in the shape of a cylindrical and either ends are closed with the hemisphere. So this hemisphere depth is nothing but a radius of the hemisphere. So this width is nothing but a width of the capsule is nothing but a diameter of the hemispherical portion and cylindrical portion common because they are surmounted. They are mounted. Common base is there. Now length of the cylindrical portion is equal to, this is 5 by 2 and this is 5 by 2 and from here to here it is 9 mm. Okay, from here to here it is 9 mm, 9 millimeters. Now we need to find out the surface area of the capsule. We need to find the surface area of the capsule. Capsule surface area means CSA of a hemisphere, CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of two hemispheres. So surface area of surface area of radius is common for both the cylinder as well as a hemisphere. Cylinder as well as a hemisphere. Surface area of capsule is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Two into hemisphere. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 into this CSA of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. That is equal to 2 pi r. If I take common, then what I get here? H plus 2r. 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r into 2r is 2 2s are 4 pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r into pi r square. 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 2s are 4. Now substitute the values here. Are they mentioned 3.14? No. So directly you can use 22 by 7 only. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 5 by 2 into h value is 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2 means 5. 2 into 5 by 2. This 2 cancel, 2 cancel. That is equal to 22 5s are 110 by 7 into 9 plus 5 is 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are. Is it visible to you? Nine plus 5 is equal to, this is 2 and here this. Okay. Now surface area of the capsule is equal to 110 into 2, that is equal to 220 millimeters square. 220 millimeters square. Please check the answer. Calculation. Check the calculation. Okay. Please write down. Once again, check your calculation part. Total length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. Means from this end of the hemisphere to that end of the hemisphere is 14 millimeters. Width of the capsule is nothing but a radius. Common diameter for hemisphere and cylinder portion is 5 millimeters. Means radius is equal to 5 by 2. Length of the cylindrical part. Only cylindrical part is either side's hemisphere we have to remove it. Means either side's hemisphere height is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 because the hemisphere depth is radius of the hemisphere only. So 5 by 2, 5 by 2 removed. That means 9 millimeters height of the cylinder, it is cylindrical part. Now surface area of the capsule is nothing but a CSA of a cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemispheres. CSA of a hemisphere. 2 hemispheres are there now. CSA of the hemispheres. Okay. CSA of the hemispheres. So formula 2 into 2 pi r plus 2 into 2 pi r square. From these 2 pi r if I take common h plus here 2 and one more r 2r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into h is 9 plus 2 into r is 5 by 2. 2 cancel. Now 2 cancel. 22 into 5 is 110 by 7. 9 plus 5. Cancellation after plus 5 is there. 9 plus 5 is 14. 7 1 7 2s. 110 into 2, that is equal to surface area of capsule is equal to 220 millimeters square. Next one is the fourth one. 2 cubes of very important model. This question very important model. 2 cubes of each of volume is 64 cubic centimeters. Volume of each cube is equal equal to 64 cubic centimeters. This is a cube. There are two cubes are there. There are two cubes are there. Each cube means the formula is L cube is equal to 64 can be written as a 4 cube. 64 can be written as a 4 cube. L is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Okay, L cube is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. That is a 64 can be written as a 4 cube. So L is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, when you join two cubes, this is another cube. You are going to join these two cubes, then your result becomes as a cuboid. The result becomes as a cuboid. The result becomes as a cuboid. This is one cube. Another cube, if I join, another cube I join, I will get a cuboid. Just a second. See here, this is one cube and this is another cube. When I join these two cubes, then I get a cuboid. Two cubes when you connected, when you join them, you will get a cuboid. These cuboid, obtained cuboid, only length will increase. Only length will increase. Breadth remains same and height remains same. Breadth remains same and height remains same. Am I clear? So when you join the two cubes, this one cube, this another cube. When you join together, you will obtain a cuboid. The obtained cuboid length will increase. How much it will increase? Length will be double, and breadth remains same, height remains same. Okay. So see here. Here it is a length. And this is breadth and this is height. So when two cubes are joined, then we obtain a cuboid. We obtained a cuboid. Now length of the cuboid is equal to L plus L. Capital L is equal to small l plus L. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Just now I shown that one. Example, two cubes. Now breadth of the cuboid. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to B is equal to L length only, same length only, 4 centimeters. And the height of the cuboid, capital H is equal to same length. How much length is that cube length? That is only height. That is equal to 4 centimeters. Now what they ask here? Find the resulting surface area of the resulting cuboid. Surface area means TSA required to find out. A TSA. When I join this is then what I get here? This is like this cuboid I get. Means TSA means this area, this area, this area, this area. 4 and 5, 6 faces. Okay, TSA we have to find out. Okay, now surface area of a resultant cuboid is equal to surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is equal to 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. that is equal to surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into 8 for the 32 plus 16 plus 32, that is equal to 2 into 64 plus 16 means 80, that is equal to 160 centimeters square. 160 centimeters square. Volume of each cube is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. There are two cubes are there. So L cube is equal to 4 cube, L is equal to 4 centimeter. When two cubes are connected, then we obtain a cuboid. The length of the cuboid is this length plus this length. 8 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to same breadth of the cube only, that is 4 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is equal to height of this cube only, 4 centimeter. Now surface area is nothing but a total surface area, TSA. TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL formula. So 2 into 80 plus the 2 into 80 is equal to 160 centimeters square. Please write down. Okay, am I clear? Next. Very important model, sir. 100% 2 mark question this one. You can expect the question. A storage tank consisting of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either ends, same as a capsule problem only. If the external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meters and its length is 8 meters, find the cost of painting on the outside at rate of 20 per square meter. Read that question carefully. Cost they may give sometimes 100 cost 20 per 100 meter square, 20 per 10 meter square, like that also they may give. So be careful there. 100 per meter square means no issue. That is directly multiply the cost to the surface area. But here 100 per meter square means you need to multiply the cost with the surface area and divide by 100 also there. Okay. Sometimes they may give in that way also. Fifth one. A storage tank consisting of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meters. This is a tank, storage tank, cylindrical, and either sides stuck with a hemispheres. Okay, a storage tank consisting of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meters and its length be 8 meters. External diameter is 1.4 meters and the length is 8 meters. Just I am giving here. Diameter is equal to 1.4 meters. Radius is equal to 1.4 by 2, that is equal to 0.7. That can be as 7 by 10 centimeters. 7 by 10 centimeters. Okay. And its length is 8 meters. Find the cost of painting. Length is equal to 8 meters. Length is equal to 8 meters. Okay. So the total height is given. Total height. From that one, either ends diameter, remove it and simplify that with the help of CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of a two hemispheres and multiply with the cost 20 rupees. Okay. I'm not explaining the total problems are similar as a your medicine capsule problem, like fourth problem only. In that millimeters they given, here meters they given. Same model problem as a third question, medicine capsule model only. So after finding the CSA, surface area of tank is equal to CSA of a cylinder plus 2 into CSA of a hemisphere, and then after you will get some value here. Cost of painting is equal to this here surface area into 20 rupees multiplied, you will get the answer. Okay, understood? This surface area multiply with 20 rupees, you may get the answer. Here length is equal to 8 meters. Okay, please try it. Try that one now. Okay, hope you did that one. Okay, now diameter they given, radius length they given, surface area, cost of the painting they asked. The cost of painting is equal to surface area of the figure, surface area of the total solid into 20 rupees they given cost. So multiply that, you may get the answer. Am I clear? If you don't understand, let me know that one, then I will explain that problem. Similar model as the third question only. Similar model as the third question. In fifth question, diameter they given 1.4 meters, length of the tank they given 8 meters. From that to paint the tank outer surface area 20 rupees per square meter. What is the total cost they asked? In that question, diameter, from diameter find out the radius, after that length given. Now find out the CSA of a cylinder, CSA of the two hemispheres, add them, then you will get the surface area of the tank. That surface area multiply with cost 20 rupees. Already complete question I explained, not the calculation, just what is the procedure I explained. So I hope you may do that yourself only. Already, in case if you require, you can refer third question once again. Similar model only. Okay. So in next class, few more questions. Thank you.